letter C.
Letter C.
No.
Oh, but how introduction to the person? He said he's a movie director known for his.
Hmm. Yes, he was a movie director, but he did. Hmm.
Who knows nuances, subtleties, but black characters.
Yes, black actors.
And look, blood in the past movies were far less sensitive about. So this means if we ask you about part of a sentence, complete it. That support the letter B.
Hmm.
Because the problem in letter C, he said who pioneered the change. We don't have change here. We have comparison. Of course, A is wrong.
Okay. Letter B. The letter B.
Letter B, why do you think
Because it matches.
we have any strong evidence?
He went on to find ways to market the new pigment. The material was stable and non-toxic.
So now it's letter C, correct.
Letter B.
I don't think so. He said here, assertion are not freed because they live in states that consider emancipated the property of the state. This could be it's by law. If you are emancipated slave, you are still slave to the city.
Hmm.
This could be.
Okay. Hmm.
Well,
The letter B.
but why not A?
They are more common in Canada than other places.
Remember, little b, he didn't mention information about the physical size of the state.
Oh.
That's why we need evidence. He said true. But why not to say A?
Hmm. I'm not sure. So letter B.
No, wait, we didn't finish 8. So do you think 8 it's A or not?
Yes. Say they are more common in Canada than other places.
How did you know?
Hmm. They are extremely adaptable to wide varieties of habitat and now are flourishing in different areas.
But let me help you. Sometimes in answers making, we put answer in a comparison. So don't look for the phrases like they are common, yes, but we don't have comparison between other phrases.
They are dispersed across North America from Canada to Virginia in general. Hmm.
So that means the letter B, it could be, but we need
Yes, but there is no evidence for letter B, you said. Yes, there no evidence.
no C. But what is the evidence for letter B? If they could be in different, as I mentioned, they have the ability to adapt in different situations. Look, they are
So
extremely
letter,
adaptable. That means it could be in any harsh environmental conditions. So letter D could be evident.
yes, could be evident, but still. Hmm.
That is the problem. It's the action or the idea. It's not directed, explicit in the text. We need to prove it.
Yes. Okay. So they are okay. letter B.
Number 9, letter B correct.
letter B.
Letter B correct.
letter C.
Letter C, good hunt.
F. letter D.
But how 3.8? Look about the difference. I know you hate math, but it's okay. Remember, we found the ion uptake increase between, so here 3.5 minus 2.5 could be 1. Yes, so it's about 1.
So letter A.
Letter A, yes.
letter B.
Letter B, it is correct.
Okay. Letter D.
B is correct, yes.
letter B.
Here it's about
letter
parallelism.
D. Hmm?
It's about parallelism. Look after the commas, not before. Here we have infinitive. Start with infinitive. You can use 2 plus infinitive, but if it's repeated in all, but here not repeated, that means the writer wouldn't like to repeat it.
Hmm.
It's called parallelism, correct?
Okay. Letter B.
Letter B, plural, correct? Well, remember here we have subordinate conjunction. We have two complete clauses. Subject, we need verb. This is present participle. This is passive as you know. Hello, this is perfect. So it's about present simple.
Mhm.
That's correct.
Okay. letter A.
Parallelism, correct.
letter D.
No.
What did you say?
How, my friend? Look, it's a popular in sense, so what's it? This part. So you need comma,
Oh,
or you don't need comma.
need or don't. You don't need.
So why you don't need?
Was E.
Let me help you, yes. For this is one, because we test here for this part. Do we need comma to separate the word from the presentable definition?
No.
So that's a point. So it's a letter A. Here no, here no. So we have a problem here. Do we need? Well, how should I separate the subject from the verb?
Hmm.
There is no any non-essential information. And that
Hmm.
is non-essential. This is important to the meaning of the word.
Yes, it is.
So we test
Also used in the other one.
that's correct. But here one comma, no, we need two commas. So no comma is correct. Two commas correct. But here it's essential to the meaning of sentence. To know what it means. See that? So it's essential for the content. So non-essential wrong. But here grammatically wrong. Because we need two commas or no commas. But here for the meaning. That's why, my dear.
Oh,
You know,
okay.
essential and the non-essential. Now let's go.
Okay. Mhm. Letter A.
The 20, it's letter A, correct.
Letter C.
For 21, letter C. Hmm. So I think you're asking, but it's correct. To make sure before semicolon, it must be sentence. Whatever it is. Simple, complex, compound, we don't care. But it's sentence. So be careful.
Okay. Letter D.
Letter D, I don't think so.
Mm.
Let me help you.
No, it's not letter B,
Ad-
then
Adjective, adjective, noun. Between them, we need comma. So here, no comma. We don't use
no,
between the nouns and adjective. Between the noun and adjective, we don't need comma. Between the adjectives, like that. Adjective, noun, we don't use comma. But if you have two adjectives, you have the right to use comma or and, one of them. But not between the adjectives and the noun. So we don't do it here. We have a problem, the verb and comma. So why do we need comma before the verb? So no.
so letter A.
So it's letter A.
Letter B.
Letter B, I don't think so. It's letter C.
Specifically,
Yeah, the general idea is of further restraining. Expanded. Expanded with an example.
mm,
Example of about the forms and constructions of such restraining. So it gives examples. So it's called specific. Of course, there is no contrast, no similarity. But do we have cause and effect?
no,
So as I told, he said require rigorous training of all forms. Here he must tell you what is a form is. Learn to alert. Attention. Feel it? So like an example,
okay. Is it letter B? Subsequently,
letter B correct.
letter A.
Letter A, that is great. No?
Letter C.
Letter C it can be, but we have a problem. We need to offer of what a heat is. So we need definition. And your audience unfamiliar. This means you should add definition. أجزاء herbalist بتتعاطى so literally.
letter D. letter B. Hmm?
Would be letter A.
What did you say?
Letter A.
No, letter B.
Oh, we're not to convince people to create all the left to protect. So it gives you the reasons.
Yes. Oh,
Strong reason. He said here we can protect.
yes.
So the cause and effect. Now we came to the end. You did your best, as usual. And now it's time for food, drink, dance. Okay, Omar. So now